how to rebuild your Harley Davidson telescopic forks. If you don't already know how to take the forks off of your bike, you can go to motorcyclemetal.com and utilize the how-to pages. The kitchen table is a great place to do this project, but if your wife has bigger balls than you, I suggest you get her permission first. I'm also going to show you how to update your 1940s Harley technology to the brand new 2011 Ohlins technology. Seriously, this is so simple. If I can do it, you can. Remember to loosen the fork tube cap before removing the forks from the triple trees. With the fork standing upright, remove the fork tube cap and drain the fork oil. Next, remove the dampening rod screw. For this, you're going to need an impact wrench. The quick torque it provides allows the screw to break loose. If you try and do this by hand, the screw and the rod will spin together and you'll never get it off. Remember, when draining the fork oil, to retrieve the spring, and if you have an 06 and newer bagger, the dampening valve. The dampening rod screw and the packing seal have already been removed. Remove the dampening rod and the top-out spring. Use a small screwdriver to remove the retaining clip. Use a jackhammer motion to separate the fork tube from the slider. And don't forget to retrieve the oil lock. Remove the oil seal. Remove the spacer seal. Remove the guide bushing. With a large flat blade screwdriver, insert it into the split on the slider bushing. Gently pry the bushing open while sliding up with your thumb and forefinger. Clean off the fork tube and carefully inspect for any scratches or burrs that will allow oil to leak past the oil seal. Before showing you how to clean, rebuild, and assemble your stock Harley forks, I'm going to take this opportunity to show you how you can vastly improve the safety, handling, and comfort by simply upgrading to a new cartridge-style suspension. To install a cartridge system, the first thing we must do is remove the check valve located inside the bottom of the fork tube. This is held in place with a pressed-on retaining ring. A machine shop can remove this for you, or you can do it yourself. Simply insert the fork tube into a stable vise with soft jaws. You will need eye protection for this. Using a 4-inch flap disc on an angle grinder, remove the face of the retaining ring, exposing the fork tube and valve. To remove the valve, insert a piece of PVC pipe and tap it out. Fork oil does not get filtered. It does become contaminated when moisture and debris bypass the oil seal and from inherent wear of internal components. That's why it's recommended to thoroughly clean them before reassembly. For cleaning, I use a parts cleaner. But because you probably don't have one at home, I'm going to show you how to do this with everyday items you can find at your local store. You'll need a bin long enough for all of your fork components to fit. Need a vent brush, a bottle brush, a piece of copper tubing, a piece of PVC pipe, mineral spirits, spray bottle, and a can of brake parts cleaner that you can find at your local auto parts store. The springs contract and expand, rubbing inside the fork tubes. creating a fine metallic powder that needs to be removed. Liberally spray your solvent into the fork tube and scrub out with the vent brush. When you think you've got it clean, make a wadding out of either a rag or a paper towel. Push through from the top of the fork tube with your PVC pipe. If you have not removed the check valve, you'll need the copper tubing to extract the wadding. Repeat the same process when cleaning the fork slider. When cleaning the damping tube, use a brush and pay special attention to the compression ring on top. Allow all of the parts to air dry and thoroughly clean your bin. Using the brakes parts cleaner, remove all of the residue and continue to spray until the fluid comes out clear.